Claire is a professional streamer with a large following on YouTube. She harnesses the power of the 13th Gen Intel Core mobile processor to stream her masterclass with uncompromised performance. And she offers replays of her edited live sessions as on-demand classes for creative professionals. She uses open broadcaster software to configure a high-quality live stream and a local recording. OBS takes advantage of the additional cores on the 13th Gen mobile system, enabling effective CPU encoding of both the stream and local recording, while simultaneously editing in Premiere Pro for her audience. Increased core count and Intel UHD graphics featuring Intel QuickSync Video enables a performant experience when working with 8K content in Premiere Pro while simultaneously streaming and recording to a live audience. When compared to 12th Gen, the 13th Gen system provides a step up in performance by leveraging up to double the efficient cores. This allows the 13th Gen system to play back smoother with fewer dropped frames in Premiere, in addition to capturing a higher quality stream recording in OBS. Thanks to the 13th Gen Intel Core mobile processors, millions of streamers can stream and record at high quality while maintaining high frame rates for an uncompromised creative streaming experience.